Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Gold prices soared to near 3-month highs, trading just below its record peak, fueled by a soft dollar and lack of clarity around US President Donald Trump's policy plans, which investors fear could trigger trade wars and elevate market volatility. China said it will guide big state insurers and commercial insurance funds to increase investments in the A-share market, in a latest move to boost its lagging stock market. Big state-owned insurance companies will be directed to raise both the size and proportion of their investments in Chinese stocks listed on the mainland and equity funds. The pre-inauguration Donald Trump meme coin frenzy contributed to a record surge in new Solana addresses, as users continued to flock to the meme-friendly blockchain. The daily number of new Solana addresses reached almost 9 million, ahead of US President Donald Trump's inauguration.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence adjusted at 5:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing will be released at 7:45 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 17 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 10 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.